Imagine stepping into a living room that instantly feels like home, both stunning and inviting. Today, on Visionary Designs, we're unlocking the secrets to timeless living room design that will transform your space from ordinary to extraordinary. If you're ready to revolutionize your living space, hit that subscribe button and join us on this design journey. Let's dive in. Set the mood with your color palette. From soothing neutrals to energizing brights, color can transform your space. Use the 60-30-10 rule. 60% dominant color, 30% secondary color, and 10% accent color to create balance and visual interest. For example, a soft beige with navy accents can bring a serene yet sophisticated feel. Combine ambient, task, and accent lighting to add depth and warmth. Overhead lights provide general illumination. Table lamps are great for tasks, and spotlights can highlight artwork or architectural features. Think of a living room where a stylish chandelier illuminates the space, while a table lamp and wall sconces provide a cozy atmosphere. Mix smooth, rough, shiny, and matte surfaces for visual and tactile interest. Combining materials like wood, metal, glass, and fabrics adds depth to your room. Imagine a room with a plush velvet sofa, a sleek glass coffee table, and a rugged wooden accent wall, each texture enhancing the overall aesthetic. Anchor your room with a standout feature, such as a fireplace, striking artwork, or a picture window. Arrange your furniture to highlight this focal point, creating a natural flow in the space. Picture a living room where a dramatic fireplace with a large mirror above it draws attention, with seating arranged to emphasize this central feature. Design conversation areas and ensure easy traffic flow. Apply the rule of thirds for placing furniture and leave enough space between pieces for comfortable movement. Visualize a cozy seating arrangement that invites conversation and allows for easy movement around the room. Incorporate elements that reflect your personality and experiences. Display family photos, travel souvenirs, or a collection of beloved books to make the space uniquely yours. Imagine a living room where personal artifacts and treasured memories are thoughtfully displayed, adding warmth and character. Bring in plants or natural materials to infuse life and energy into the room. Indoor plants enhance aesthetics and air quality, while materials like wood, stone, or woven elements connect you to nature. Think of a room with lush greenery, a stone coffee table, and woven rugs that create a natural, refreshing atmosphere. Balance your room by paying attention to the size relationships between pieces. Mix large and small items, ensuring that furniture fits the room size. A large sectional may overwhelm a small space, while tiny furniture can appear lost in a large room. Envision a well-proportioned room where each piece complements the space without crowding or feeling sparse. Embrace versatile furniture for smart, efficient living. Look for ottomans with storage, expandable tables, or sleeper sofas to maximize functionality in your space. Picture a stylish ottoman that doubles as storage and a sofa that converts into a guest bed. Practical and elegant solutions. Mix classic pieces with contemporary elements for enduring style. Pair a traditional sofa with modern art, or add trendy pillows to a classic armchair for a fresh, curated look. Imagine a living room where timeless elegance meets modern flair, creating a space that feels both classic and current. Now, let's take a moment to showcase these decorating ideas in action. As you consider these ideas, remember that the most beautiful living rooms reflect the people who live in them. We'd love to see how you apply these ideas. Share your before and after photos in the comments below. If this video inspired you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Visionary Designs for daily inspiration. Have questions or want to share your thoughts? Drop them in the comments. Your query might spark our next video. Thanks for joining us on Visionary Designs. Until next time, happy decorating!